Come with me, let's eat Korean food. Today I came to eat naengmyeon Korean cold noodles. Naengmyeon is a super refreshing noodle dish with icy broth. In Korea, people eat it a lot during the hot summer. Bibimbap naengmyeon isn't too spicy. It's savory with a hint of fruity sweetness. Hard to describe, so you just gotta try it yourself. Honestly, naengmyeon tastes the best when you eat it with meat. Mul naengmyeon has this crazy umami broth. I wish I could carry it around in a tumbler all day. That was super delicious today too.